How to fix pip is not recognized as a command in Visual Studio Code. So if you're trying to use the terminal to go and type in a pip command and you're seeing this error message here, I'm going to show you two ways to go and solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is open up an internet browser and then go and type in pip download and press enter. You can then scroll down to this top website, which is pypi.org. Once you're on this website, click on installation. You can then scroll down to where it says download the script, and we need to right click on this, click on save link as, and then just save this in your downloads folder and press save. Now click on your downloads folder in the top right hand side and click on the icon to show this in the folder. Now you should be able to see this pip file at the very top. We just need to click on the file directory and then go and type in cmd and press enter. From this window, go and type in python space get-pip.py and press enter. That's now going to download this onto your system. Now if you get this message here that says warning and it will give you this file directory, this means we need to go and add this to our environment variables. So what we're going to do is just copy this file directory like so. You can then press Ctrl+C in order to copy this. You can then open up your start menu, search for edit environment variables and click on this window here. Now click on the option for path and press edit. We can then click on new and then just go and paste in the file directory that we just copied. You can then press OK and click on OK. Once you've done that, you'll need to restart your computer. And once your computer's restarted, you should then be able to use pip commands in Visual Studio Code. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.